Yo, what's up? Hope you guys are good. My name is Nathan Flow Rocker, and you're welcome to the Product Village. Today, we're going to be speaking about one of my favorite gears, the Osmo Pocket 4. But not the Pocket 4 in itself, but an accessory to the Pocket 4. Right here, I have the SmallRig silicone case kit for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's unbox and let's see what we got in the box. All right, let's open the box. So we have one box, we have a card, we have a manual. So first up, we have a user guide, sort of like a setup guide. Then we have a screen protector for the Pocket 4. And then in this box, we have the rest of the accessories for the Osmo Pocket 4. All right, let's open this box up. 1, 2, 3. There's one more in there. Okay, let me put all this on my hand so you get to see. Alrighty, so we have a protector for the camera itself. We have one for the body, one for the screen, and one for the adapter. Alrighty, we also have a strap in there. I almost forgot about that strap. Alrighty, so this is all we have in the box of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 case kit, the silicone case kit. Alrighty, so this is basically everything we have in the case. Now let's begin to assemble. Alrighty, so let's start with the silicone case for the handle. That slips in very easily. That's it, and we're done. Okay, now assembling this, you have to be pretty careful. It's usually safe to start from the top. So I'm starting from the camera and then I slip it in underneath. You have to be careful. Otherwise, if it cuts, that's it. Alrighty, so we have that fixed together. There we have it. Yep, we're good to go. Alrighty, next up, let's install the screen protector. Let's bring it out of the bag. Now in the bag, you have a number of things. You have the protector itself, then you have this wet and dry. All right, let's bring this out. There we have the screen protector itself, very clean. You have to be very careful when you want to install this on the camera. All right, now let's remove the protective film. You have to be very careful. Don't allow dust get on there. Okay, so there we have it. Now I am going to install that on the camera. Okay, so we're going to use the wet and dry. So the first will be the wet. We'll have to open that up so we can clean the screen of the Osmo Pocket 4 first. It's very pertinent that we clean the screen first because if there's dust and stuff on it and we place the screen protector on that, it's not going to work. We're going to start having bubbles. Right, so we get to clean the screen with the wet, and then we get to dry it up with the dry. Okay, so now what we have to do is place it carefully so there is not a single bubble. All right, here we go. Good, so it's sealing up. See that? It's gradually, oh, perfect, good. So what we need to do is just use the dry one and just dab just a little bit, just to be sure we don't have any bubbles on the sides. Alrighty, now let's install the silicone case for the gimbal head. It's pretty simple. You just bring that up and slip it in, and that's it. Okay, so time for us to install this strap. Now, for this, I think it may be advisable you get yourself a safety pin, because sometimes it gets a bit difficult getting that very tiny rope to go right into the side of the Osmo Pocket 4. So get yourself a safety pin. I'm going to quickly do that and fast forward to me inserting it right in. Alrighty, so I've installed that in. So all I have to do is open it up and slip the remaining part of. That's it. So, okay. And then we pull it up. That's it. And the strap goes right in and we're good to go. That's it. So the wrist strap is properly installed. And that's practically everything well aligned and assembled. Okay, so one more delicate part. We now have to install the screen protector for the gimbal itself, for the camera itself. Okay, so we're gonna dab it again using the wet. Still have some liquid up in there. Okay, so first thing we have to do is bend it. Okay, it's opening gradually. You have to be very careful that you don't allow your thumbprint get on the surface. Otherwise, we're gonna have bubbles. So I have to do this very carefully. All right, now let's align. Just want to be sure. Okay, now let's place it on top. Have to be pretty careful here because there's no spare. Once I make a mistake, that's it. Okay, so now let's clean. Good, we don't have any bubbles at all. Fantastic, good. Now let's have a look. Perfect. No, not a single bubble. Alrighty, let's power it on. Let's test it. Let's just be sure everything is working perfectly. Okay, let me shift the gimbal head up. Let me try and see if I can control the gimbal. Okay, now let me move the gimbal just a bit. Let's go forward. There you go. And you have it back. Good. So we are perfectly well aligned. No bubbles. And there you have it, guys. That's all for the silicone case kit from SmallRig for the Osmo Pocket 4. Now, they have about 2 other versions. There's one that is the protective case kit. There's one that is the starter kit. I mean, they have 3 versions right there on the website. Now, in terms of the pricing, currently it goes for $17. And if you want to get yourself one, I have an affiliate link. You can grab that in the description. It helps the channel out a little bit, and then you get a discount when you use that affiliate link code. So you can grab that and get yourself this. Let me open it up so you get to see what it looks like. Okay, here we have it. That's it. Fantastic. Also, just in case you have an Osmo Pocket 3, I actually also have one from SmallRig, but this right here is actually, honestly, guys, I really love this one right here. This one, I have the entire thing, the handle. Hold on a minute. Same thing for the microphone. Also, even for the battery handle. And this is what it looks like, guys. There you have it. Look at it. Let me show you the back. Look at that. That Transformers cage. I'm a massive Transformers fan. And this you can also get on the website of SmallRig. If you haven't watched my review of this, of the Transformers protection kit for the Osmo Pocket 3, you can use the link above and watch that. You can also use my affiliate link in the description of this video and get yourself a discount. Once again, SmallRig, thank you so much for sending me this silicone case kit. Now I'm fully kitted and protected. I ain't gonna be afraid no more. All right, guys, until the next one, I will see you guys. Ciao.